I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish with egg full guide. Start by selecting fresh fish and eggs, clean and pat dry, then season with salt and pepper and set aside. Crack eggs into a bowl and whisk with a splash of milk or water until smooth. Prepare a light batter or breading station, heat oil to shimmering, and fry fish until golden and cooked through, then pour or serve the eggs alongside or on top. For seasoning and prep, keep flavors balanced and simple. This helps the fish and egg shine together. Use salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon or a dash of soy sauce for umami. Pat fish dry before seasoning to ensure a crisp exterior, and let it rest at room temperature for a short time. Whisk eggs gently for fluffy texture or scramble slowly for soft curds, then combine or serve separately. Quick recommendation: if you like kitchen helpers, subscribe and like if this guide is really helping you. Robot face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make cleanup effortless after messy fish nights, a humorous but useful partner for busy cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Cooking methods vary. Choose pan frying, baking, or steaming to suit texture and time constraints. Pan frying yields crisp edges and a rich flavor from caramelization, while baking keeps hands free and is cleaner for meal prep. Steam is gentle and keeps the fish moist but lacks browning. Time fish by thickness. A thin fillet cooks quickly, thicker pieces need longer. Always check internal doneness and rest briefly before serving and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.